Okay, now to get the tyre off. So, I've just put a little bit of washing up liquid around there just to lubricate it slightly, make it slightly easier. You really want to squeeze the tyre and get it up into the well inside the wheel if you can. Okay, makes it easier, it pushes it that way. The valve's up there, we're going to start there. I'm going to put a little bit of rag in there to try and soften the blow and the bite from the tyre lever. Start at the valve and very gently pull. Okay, that's the first bit. And move around. Put your lever in. Knock it up a bit, don't take too big a bite or else you'll find that it'll be really difficult to get the tyre off. I'm sure if you've done a cycle tyre you'll be okay with this. What I'm tending to do is just hold the lever with my knee. Squeeze down again, another bite. Put the rag in again. Knock it up so I'm not taking too big a bite. Haha, that's what you don't want. You don't want it to bounce back in. The problem is the rag's filling the space and making it a bit tighter. Well, there's already one or two dings on my wheel, so I might just try and do it without the rag and see what happens. Okay, so we've got a chunk there. It's probably a little bit easier actually without the rag. A little bit of liquid this one. So we should try again. Tyre in the well. The tyre's in the well so it's off centre to the wheel. Very gently. And again. Again, not taking too big a bite every time you do it. A bit more washing up liquid, I think. You can buy special protectors for your wheels so that when you're using the tyre lever it doesn't leave any marks on the wheel, but seeing as my wheel's already got one or two dings on from a previous puncture, then I'm not over fussy. Very, very carefully. Coming now, should be reasonably straightforward from here on in. Washing up liquid again. Here it comes. It's coming now. Coming now. A bit more. You don't need much, just, you know, a little dab. And here it comes. First bead's more or less off now. Okay, that's the first bead off. Second bead now. Could be a little bit trickier this. Good. Again, we'll start at the valve. Washing up liquid on the tyre. Maybe a bit on the rim. Now then, start at the valve, tyre lever in, pull it over, make sure you get a nice chunk of tyre lever in there, because what you're going to do next is you're going to hit the tyre, come in now, nearly out, and there we go, one tyre removed. I don't know if you can see it there, but the reason I'm replacing them is there are a lot of ozone cracks inside there. The tyres aren't particularly worn, but the ozone in the atmosphere, when the tyres have been on a few years, I think these have been on about 6 years, the ozone in the atmosphere attacks the rubber and makes them crack. So I don't want any potential problems on the road, so I'm going to change them.